back to my channel. Today's video is going to be January's Buddybox. If you don't know what Buddybox is, it is a subscription box that is by a charity called the Blake Foundation, and they do subscription boxes that are all about mental well-being, helping depression, anxiety, those kind of things, mindfulness kind of things and all of that. I will try and remember to leave a link down below for the website. It's a really great charity and it would be awesome if you went and checked it out. But this is what the box looks like if you haven't already seen any of my videos so far. It's called the Buddybox, and they refer this to a hug in a box, which I think is awesome. So let's open it up. Wow, I'm seeing some good stuff in here. So let's have a look at our little card that we've got today. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. How cute is that? Oh, I'm smelling something here, guys. Oh, what is that? Is that this tea? Oh my god, I feel like I just got a taste of it in my mouth. How weird, that's so strange. Just like me! Okay, let's have a look. We've got a copy of Vine, so you get one of these little copies in every month as well. Got a really weird taste now. Just has a little, it's just like a little magazine. Really not like a little magazine, but you know what I mean. It's really little. It has just like little articles in it, so it's super cute. And I should have in here somewhere, if I can get it out. Okay, I'm gonna have to just get everything out. Yes, okay, I found it. So I've got my little card that tells me what we've got in this box. Oh, how cute! Oh, that's so cute! A sleepy bunny rabbit. I love these little things. Okay, I'm just going to read this for you. Oh, it's so tiny. The writing is so tiny. I'm really sorry if I'm such a bad reader. Okay. As if the festive fuss wasn't enough to contend with, the New You Brigade are in full swing and we're rebelling. Oh yes, we are. Rather than play into the hands of the we're not enough, we're not doing enough tirade of thoughts that play havoc with us already, we're initiating full-on nurture mode and going with the flow. January's Buddybox is designed to gently ease us into 2018, packed full of reassuring, soothing and hibernating friendly treats. Oh, I like that. I like to hibernate. Oh yeah. This hug in a box encourages us to revel in the slower pace of winter for a little longer. The tea and candle have been included to promote calm and sleep, because sleep might be restorative, but it can also be elusive. The Restore Mist contains 4 essential oils to restore the peace. So I'm kind of telling you what's in the box now, but never mind. And balance of emotions after a hectic December. This is exactly what we need. Just in case you need reminding that 2018 is your year of self-care, we've included a self-care here to remind you. Beautiful colouring book. Oh my god, the beautiful colouring book will hopefully help to distract while I've been wanting one of these books since I started. Let's just get into it first and then I'll explain. Relax and inspire. Right, okay, so we've got, so the first thing I'm seeing is the little book of mindfulness. Yay! So I have been getting this for well over a year now. Could be 2 years, guys. It could be 2 years. Everything in here smells. So look how this is such a cute little book. It says $8.99 on the back, and basically it's a colouring book, mindfulness colouring, and I have seen other people get these in them before and I never received one. I've been literally wanting one. I kind of gave up for the first like 7 months or something. I was like, when am I going to get my colouring book? I'm not sure if there's different ones. I'm sure there are different ones. But it's so cute. Wow, I'm probably never going to use it. I'm genuinely probably never going to use it. You can't really see that well. It also has little quotes though as well. Do you know, it might be nice for me to actually just go through the book page at a time. Just when I've got a little bit of time. I think it's just supposed to help you relax your mind a little bit, especially when everything's like, there's so much going on. But this is just what it looks like inside. There's all sorts of different pictures, like flowery ones. And there is like quotes and little little bits of writing and things to read. Try to learn to breathe deeply. Really taste your food when you eat, and when you sleep, really sleep. It's really, really cute, and I'm so happy that I got this. Yay! I love the book as well. Like, oh, so happy. 45 original illustrations of the natural world to colour in, accompanied by inspirational quotes on mindfulness. So mindfulness is really, really good. I'm not going to get into it because this video is going to be super long, but yeah, I'm just going to leave it there. So the RRP is $8.99. So right, what else have we got? Made by Coppers Restore Mist. Okay. Coopers, not Coppers. Coopers. Eucalyptus, cedarwood, coriander and black pepper. So is this like a sleep one, or... See, with this one it doesn't explain anything, it just tells you the RRP and that, and the RRP of this is £6. I believe this is full size, and it's 30ml. But obviously we had a little introduction to it before. A comforting blend of 4 essential oils designed to restore the peace and balance emotion. So it's not necessarily a sleep mist, but it's kind of about peace and that kind of thing. Generously mist throughout the air and onto linens to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of the essential oils. Oh, okay. I'm going to have a little spray. You can't smell it. Yes. I prefer that to a different one I've got. I've got a different one that I don't like that much. I like that. Yeah. Oh no, I do really like this. Some of them can be very overpowering and just have quite a bitter smell, but I like this one. Handmade with 100% essential oils and organic ingredients. £6, not a bad price. I suppose it would depend how much you have to spray it and whether it lasts long in the air and stuff as well, but that's actually not a bad price to say it's 100% essential oils. Okay, I think this is what I can smell now that I'm about to get up. We've got Wax Lyrical English Lavender Candle Tin, RRP £4.50. Now this is what it looks like. I can't even show you it. Oh, maybe it's not this. Maybe it is this, I'm not sure. But this is just a lavender candle. This is going in the bedroom and this will be I will be using this tonight. I really want to get into... I'm such a spiritual person, and I feel like I really got in and out of like moods of it. Not moods, like phases through it, and I really want to get more into it. And I have quite a lot of candles and I always forget to use them. Like I've got one there that it should be on right now, and I did put it on yesterday because I remember yesterday I was like lighting that candle, but I forget to use them, and I really want to get myself more into the habit of it. Candles are amazing, and if you've read about Hygge or Hygge or however you want to say it, candles are mentioned in there a lot as well. And this one will be perfect for bedtime. May produce an allergic reaction. It will not produce one for me. It'll be fine. RRP £4.50. Now it's going to depend how long this lasts, I guess, as to whether it's worth £4.50 and how strong it is. It doesn't say anything on it about how long it's supposed to last. I know some candles might say like 20 hours and stuff like that. But yeah, it's a cute little candle. It's in a cute little tub, so we'll see how long that lasts. And if you want, I can keep you updated on it and let you know whether it's worth buying. But yeah, let's get into, I think we're on the final thing. Oh, okay. No, there's something else in here as well. Oh, something's already fallen out. So this is called Self-Care Hair. Because it's a rabbit, it's like, yeah. Self-Care Hair, Cut Out and Make. Oh, and this is, the RRP for this is £3. I don't think this is worth £3, I'm not going to lie. It's just these little bits of card that you pop out, and then I guess you put it together to make the little hair. I personally would not pay £3 for this. Some people might. I think it's really, really cute addition to the box. I actually might do this and put it in the bedroom, like on my bedside table. I think that's really cute. And then the final thing is Higher Living Sweet Dreams Tea. This is what I could smell. This has got a very strong smell to it. And it's just tea. Let's have a look. So Higher Living. So the RRP for this is £2.21. 15 bags we get in here. That's really cute as well. So this box is about like sleeping and calm and peace and things like that. Higher Living, Hayaku, number 18, Sweet Dreams, in midnight moonlight. Let sleep lie down beside you, carry you away. Okay, I don't know if I read that right, but organic Sweet Dreams, a relaxing infusion combining lemon balm, lavender and chamomile. Brew in freshly boiled water for 4 to 5 minutes using 1 bag per cup. Oh, okay. We've got fennel, peppermint, lemon balm, chamomile, linden flowers, lavender, natural lavender flavour. Wow. Okay, it's got fennel and peppermint are really good for you as well. I often get fennel and peppermint teas, so I'm really excited about that. It's got a lot of good stuff in it, so I'm really excited to try that out. That's it for today's Buddybox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, please do check out the Buddybox. If you just type in Buddybox in Google or the Blurt Foundation, it will come up and you'll be able to find it, but I will try and link it below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my second channel, which is SJTV Vlogs, no it's not, it's SJTV Live. This is where I have this makeup look that will be on there. I did a live. I'm going to be doing lots of live videos on there. So please do go check that out. I'm wanting to do a live video at 9:30 AM, Monday to Friday. It might not be every day, and I might change the time if a different time works better for people. Today's video, nobody was there. But hopefully people will watch it afterwards as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!